In this video, I'm going to show you how to access cloud saves on Epic Games in just a few simple steps. This is really useful if you want your game progress to sync automatically, or if you need to find your local save files on your PC. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top corner and click your profile icon. From there, select Settings. This is where Epic keeps the launcher options that control things like updates, notifications, and cloud save syncing. Now scroll through the settings until you find the option that says Enable Cloud Saves. Check that box to turn the feature on. Once this is enabled, supported games will automatically upload your save data to the cloud when you close the game. That means if you switch devices or reinstall a game later, your progress can sync back down when you launch it again. If you're trying to make sure cloud saves are working, it's a good idea to close the game properly after playing and then reopen it to confirm your progress is there. Not every game supports cloud saves, so keep in mind that this only works for titles that have Cloud Sync enabled by the developer. Now, if you ever need to locate your local save files manually, there's a folder path you can check on Windows. Open File Explorer and paste in this location: %localappdata%\epicgameslauncher\saved\saves. Inside that folder, you may find local save data stored by the launcher or related games. Just remember, cloud saves and local saves are not always the same thing. Cloud saves are synced online through Epic, while local saves stay on your device. So if you're backing up game progress or troubleshooting missing files, it helps to check both. And that's it. You now know how to enable Epic Games cloud saves and where to find local save locations if you need them. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.